Hi everyone, the question is let a1, a2, a3, so and so forth up till an be n non-zero real numbers of which p are positive and remaining are negative. That means n minus p are negative. The number of ordered pairs j comma k where j is less than k for which aj multiplied by ak is positive is 55. Similarly, the number of ordered pairs j comma k where j is less than k for which aj multiplied by ak is negative is 50. Then the value of p square plus n minus p whole square is. So here product being positive, that means both numbers should either be positive or both numbers should either be negative, and this is 55. For product to be negative, one number should be positive and another should be negative. So this is the number of ordered pairs that you would have j comma k where j is less than k such that aj into ak is negative. So here this is p into p minus 1 by 2 plus n minus p times n minus p minus 1 by 2 equal to 55, where n minus p is essentially 50 by p. So n minus p is essentially 50 by p. Let me remove this divide by 2 and cross multiply. So n minus p is 50 by p, and what you have is this 50 by p minus 1 equal to 110. Now so essentially you get p square plus 50 by p whole square minus p plus 50 by p equal to 110. So what you may do is you may say p plus 50 by p whole square minus p plus 50 by p. Yeah, so what you get is plus 100 you are getting, so we'll do also minus 100, and minus 100 minus 110 is what? Minus 210 equal to 0. So you have t square minus t minus 210 equal to 0. So here if I see this as a quadratic in p plus 50 by p, p plus 50 by p can either be 15 or minus 14. So p plus 50 by p definitely would not be minus 14. It has to be 15 only. Why? Because p is positive, so p plus 50 by p should be positive. So here what you have is p plus 50 by p equal to 15. Now you may get a quadratic in p and solve it, or just by observation, given that p is supposed to be natural number, you can say p can either be 5 or 10. In any case, p square plus n minus p whole square would be what? It will be 5 square plus 10 square, because if p is 5, n minus p would be what? N minus p would be 10. Because p times n minus p is 50. If p is 5, n minus p is 10. If p is 10, n minus p is 5. So here your answer is, in any case, 5 square plus 10 square, which is essentially 125. C is the answer. Thanks for listening.